9 foods for a flat belly. 1. Almonds. Almonds, along with most other raw nuts, are an excellent source of protein, fiber, magnesium, vitamin E, and healthy monounsaturated fats. The protein and fiber content will keep hunger at bay, fending off cravings, thus helping you to avoid unhealthy snacking. 2. Apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away and helps you achieve your 6-pack abs. Apart from being a great source of fiber to aid digestion and promote weight loss, apples also contain phenols. Apples are also a low-GI food, providing you with sustained energy without setting you up for a sugar crash. 3. Greek yogurt. Aside from containing probiotics that reduce bad bacteria in the intestines while minimizing bloating, non-fat Greek yogurt is higher in protein than other yogurts, making it even more appetite-satiating. Plus, Greek yogurt is packed with calcium. With studies proving that calcium can help stop fat from entering your cells, aiding in breaking down and carrying out fat through bowel movements, Greek yogurt makes the perfect addition to your flat belly diet. 4. Beans. Thanks to their protein and fiber content, beans are known to build muscle, help burn fat, and regulate digestion. 5. Mushrooms. An insufficient amount of vitamin D has been linked to high levels of belly fat. Mushrooms are the only natural plant source of vitamin D. Although we don't necessarily recommend adding them to smoothies, we do recommend them in your diet. 6. Avocado. Just a medium avocado holds 15 grams of fiber that keeps you feeling perfectly satisfied. In addition to fiber, just 1/4 cup of avocado has a full day's worth of monounsaturated fatty acid which burns belly fat. 7. Eggs. In addition to an abundance of protein, eggs are an excellent source of vitamin B12, lutein and amino acids, all of which are known to break down fat cells. 8. Tomatoes. This fruit is high in potassium, water, and is also a natural diuretic, making them the fruit to eat to flush out excess sodium, water, and bloat. On top of that, tomatoes are abundant in fiber, and therefore, help to regulate digestion. 9. Berries. These sweet treats are packed with fiber and antioxidants. With 1 cup containing 8 grams, berries are a great way to stave off unhealthy cravings, while the antioxidants have been shown to improve blood flow. Discover easy ways to lose weight naturally. Click on the link in the description.